On this channel, we do a ton of tech and gadget reviews, and that includes a lot of fidget toys. One of my favorites is the Kururin. It's a skill toy, it's a lot of fun to play with, and recently Kendama USA sent me some of their newer models. There's variations in them, some improvements we're gonna be looking at in this video today. Before we begin, check out the description below where you can find a link so you can get one for yourself, as well as potentially a discount code. Now let's go check them out. First things first, let's see what's in this envelope here. Kendama USA sticker in black, one in red. Oh, this is cool. The original Kururin in a blue and black finish. We have a 2-pack here of the original Kururin. Oh, and there's more. A Kaizen sticker. They also make Kendamas, which is a skill toy I'd like to try out sometime, but I haven't tried. And last, we have replacement pads of different colors. This is a 10-pack, so we can change them out on the edges here. So let's open these things up and take a look at them. First up, let's take a look at this blue one. That looks pretty cool. I heard the design's supposed to be different. They're supposed to be more durable and roll longer, so we're gonna check that out. And there's all these different designs and color options. So here's the blue one. It's got kind of a crackle paint finish on it. Has blue pads on it. And we'll compare it to the original one that I had previously pretty soon, but let's open up. All right, the pads are a bit shinier and thicker than the old one if I look at it. So the previous one I had, I can see that difference. I'm trying to look, and definitely there is a different shape to them now, as well as they said. We'll have to try that out and see if they roll better. You can see that there is a bit more of a width to it, and the older one is a bit skinnier. The wood looks very similar to the same. I can't tell. We can measure them and see which one weighs more. But I'm thinking maybe we could try out putting some different colors on one of them too. So let's look at these pads. We have a hot pink, a green, orange, turquoise, and the black. So which color combination would we like here for these? This would match those Echo dots back there, the turquoise. My wife likes this color. Why don't we go with turquoise here? So what we're gonna do is peel this off, open these up. We're gonna take this and peel off the old ones. All right, now we have the blue one, the red one, the new crackle colored one, and the original one, the old original one. So we're gonna test these things out and see how they do. So let me clear some of this stuff out of the way. The first test I wanna do is see, are these really better shaped now than the old version? So if I push the old one over in a certain way, how do these do compared to that? I'm already convinced. That was pretty impressive. Let me do some better A/B comparisons. I'll use the one that I used previously and the new one. You can see that they added KururinToy.com underneath there, but I can visibly see a difference in the width of them. I'm gonna try to do my best controlled experiment here and push both of them over with my hand. All right, 10 for 10. The new one does roll better further than the old one. So that is definitely an improvement. Let's try out this new crackly one and try this out and see how well it works. This appears to have the same shape as the new one, so it looks like any of the new ones you purchase will have that extra rolling in there that you can do. And I'm just gonna play with this here and see how well it works. So they tested they're better. There's definitely different variations, different styles. You can do the different end caps on them. Let's do a little compilation of cool tricks, fun things with them, and then we'll get to the ending of it. overall, this matched exactly what Kendama USA reached out to me and said. They do roll much better than the previous version, as shown by my test. The color combinations or new looks that you can get out there. If you have one of the previous ones and you like this a lot, you may think of picking up one of the new ones because it does roll better and it's a little bit more fun. If you like skill toys, you might want to check these things out. Do keep in mind that they are loud. They do make a noise whenever you're using them. What do you think about the new versions? Let me know in the comments below and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. This has been Paul with the Kururin by Kendama USA. Thank you for watching.